Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Cokis, ANZCA President and co-head of the Anaesthetic Department at Fiona Stanley Hospital in Perth. Our lifelong learning project is about providing all fellows, trainees and SIMGs with a world-class educational experience that gives you greater ownership of your own educational journey. From early 2023, we will begin gradually rolling out a range of new integrated IT systems to replace our current combination of disparate e-learning platforms, online portfolios and paper-based portfolios. The first cabs off the rank will be a new learning management system called Learn at ANZCA, replacing our current system Networks early next year. A multi-purpose e-portfolio to support the Faculty of Pain Medicine training program, SIMG assessment process, and in 2024, replace the ANZCA training portfolio system. And finally, introducing a new exam and assessment management system. We've decided to retain our current CPD portfolio for now. It's better suited to our needs than other solutions available in the market, and we didn't want to introduce a new system during the changeover to an annual CPD cycle. The Lifelong Learning Project will continue to explore opportunities for a new CPD portfolio in late 2023, with a key goal of integrating it with other college systems. We also deferred replacing our training site accreditation system, but we will revisit both platforms in 2024. Continuing to operate our old systems is risky and limits our ability to introduce new training opportunities, position ourselves for optimal educational capability, and offer more contemporary technology and self-service options. Some of these changes may feel a bit disruptive, but rest assured we'll be providing plenty of support to help you make the transition to the new systems. I encourage you to be both patient through this process, but open and honest in your feedback. This will be a major advance for the college, and I look forward to learning how to use the new systems myself.